Today I'm going to share with you a flip through of a new Bujo, that is coming to my shop. This button on the clasp, if you touch it, it opens up to the inside. The top on the cover will go to the lined paper, and the bottom, you can email me about this specific Bujo planner. And the fifth ring will take you to the index. All these are hyperlinked. The key is hyperlinked. The future log is hyperlinked. I gave you my color palette, and I shared the link to the font that I'm using in this Bujo. If you click on GDD, maybe, oh, there it goes. It'll take you to my shop. Same on the rest of these planners, or the rest of the pages. The top ring will go to lined paper. The fifth ring will take you back to your index. And the bottom ring, you can email me. Now, this planner is set up for you to design any way you want. So everything is blank. All these pages are blank. And the only pages that aren't really blank are the index this Bujo belongs to, and your line paper. I will be coming out with just a dotted version of this and a grid version of this. I hope you enjoyed this little flip through, and subscribe below because there will be more flip throughs planned with me and maybe some tutorials in the future. Thank you for watching.